This is John with WTI, and as a fragrance enthusiast, I'm always looking for freshies. I like freshies. This is my personal opinion. And something I love from this Davidoff Cool Water Intense version is that I've always liked freshies, but that they last. Some of the biggest problems with most of the fragrances that are for the heat weathers or really hot is that their performance or the time and duration of the fragrance is not good enough. You have to respray it over and over. With this guy, you use it twice, three sprays, and you're good to go. This is an eau de parfum concentration, so that means that it's gonna last long. And what makes this fragrance that is citrusy is the dry down. It has this coconut vibe, and hot country or hot weathers like my country, having a little tropical sense is really good. This scent is great for the hot weather, and its long lasting performance is great. The silage is awesome. You pass around and you're gonna feel it for a good amount of time. And this is a great option if you're trying to have a good fresh fragrance, but it's going to perform into a long lasting phase. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.